Hello everyone. Today, I am going to explain the story of the Pakistani drama Ishq Mein Tere Sadqay in simple English. The story begins with Zulfikar Shah, a young, handsome, and wealthy businessman. He belongs to a rich and respected family. Although he has everything, the most important thing in his life is love. One day, Zulfikar meets a beautiful and kind-hearted girl named Hoer. They fall deeply in love with each other. Their love is sincere, and they dream of spending the rest of their lives together. However, there is a big secret. Hoer has a twin sister named Noor, but the two sisters were separated when they were very young. Hoer grows up in a comfortable and loving environment, while Noor has a very difficult life. Noor lives with her cruel stepmother, Sajda, and her stepsisters. They treat her like a servant. She does all the housework, but no one appreciates her. Even though Noor suffers every day, she remains patient, kind, and respectful. Meanwhile, Zulfikar's father has different plans for his son. He wants Zulfikar to marry Maria, the daughter of his business partner. He believes this marriage will strengthen the family's business. But Zulfikar refuses. He tells his family that he truly loves Hoer and wants to marry only her. His decision creates tension in the family. His father becomes angry, but Zulfikar does not change his mind. He chooses love over wealth and family pressure. Finally, Zulfikar and Hoer get married. They are very happy together and look forward to a bright future. At the same time, Noor's life becomes even more painful. She continues to face cruelty, but her aunt, Anjum, gives her temporary shelter and kindness when she needs it most. Then the story takes a shocking turn. One day, Zulfikar and Hoer are involved in a terrible accident. It is not just an ordinary accident. Someone has planned it. This tragedy changes everything. After the accident, one life is lost, and Zulfikar's world falls apart. The man who was once full of happiness is now left with deep pain and heartbreak. But this is only the beginning of the story. Fate still has many surprises waiting for Zulfikar, and very soon, his path will cross with someone who looks exactly like Hoer. After the terrible accident, Zulfikar's life changes forever. He is heartbroken when he learns that Hoer has died. He cannot believe that the woman he loved is gone. Every memory of Hoer makes him emotional, and he struggles to accept the truth. At the same time, Noor is living a difficult life. She does not know that she has a twin sister. One day, Ahmed tells her that she has a twin, but nobody knows where her sister is now. This news shocks Noor and leaves her with many unanswered questions. Meanwhile, Zulfikar's father wants him to forget the past and get married again. However, Zulfikar refuses. He says that no one can take Hoer's place in his heart. His decision creates more tension between him and his father. Fate is slowly bringing Zulfikar and Noor closer. They almost meet, but they miss each other. Neither of them knows that they are connected through Hoer. On the other side, Noor continues to face problems in her family. Salah's behavior becomes more disturbing, and he makes a shocking decision that changes many lives. Noor feels trapped by the difficult people around her. As time passes, preparations begin for Maywish's wedding. During the wedding celebrations, Ahmed suddenly becomes very ill. Noor stays by his side and takes care of him with kindness and respect. Then, another shocking event takes place. At the wedding ceremony, the groom refuses to marry Maywish. Instead, he says that he wants to marry Noor. Everyone is shocked by his announcement. The happy occasion turns into chaos, and Ahmed collapses because he cannot bear the shock.